Hello everyone, this is Professor Gautam from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about problem on third 20-year road development plan. Now, straight away we will start the problem. Okay, now before going into the problem, uh, in third road development plan, in order to calculate length of national highway, this is the formula you are using. Length is equal to area in square kilometer divided by 50. In order to calculate length of state highway and major district road, these are all the formulas we are using. Length of state highway by total area method is given by area divided by 25, and by using number of towns in a state, we can calculate like this: 62.5 into number of towns minus area in square kilometer divided by 50. Here, out of these two formulas, which value is higher, that you have to adopt it as length of state highway. In order to calculate length of major district road, again two formulas are available. Length in kilometer is equal to area divided by 12.5. This formula based on total area method. And by using number of towns in a state method, we are having the formula length is equal to 90 into number of towns in the city. Again, out of these two formulas, which is the higher one, we have to consider it as length of major district road. In order to calculate other district roads and village roads, we are having two formulas. We have to use the first formula if number of villages are not given. The formula is NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR plus VR is equal to area multiplied by 82 divided by 100. Therefore, ODR plus VR you can calculate it as area into 0.82 minus of NH plus SH plus MDR. If in case number of villages are given in the problem, you have to proceed with this formula. NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR plus VR is equal to 4.74 into number of villages and towns. Therefore, ODR plus VR you can calculate it as 4.74 into villages plus towns minus of NH plus SH plus MDR. These are all the formulas we are using in order to calculate lengths of different roads in third road development plan. Now, let us see a problem given here. The problem is the area of certain district in India is 13,400 square kilometer, and there are 12 number of towns as per 1981 census. Determine the length of different categories of the road to be provided in this district by the year 2001. Since 1981 census and by the year 2001, he is asking, this problem belongs to third road development plan. Now let us proceed with steps. Step number 1, you have to calculate length of national highway. Length of national highway, third road development plan, is we are having the formula area divided by 50. Here area is 13,400 divided by 50. Therefore, length of national highway will be 268 kilometer. Length of state highway, we are having two formulas. First formula is length is equal to area divided by 25. Therefore, area is 13,400 divided by 25. We are going to get the length as how much? 536 kilometer. Since here they had given number of towns in a city as 12, you can calculate with another formula, that is 62.5 into number of towns minus area divided by 50. Therefore, by area and number of towns, state highway length is equal to 62.5 into number of towns, it is 12, minus of area divided by 50, and this will be equal to 482 kilometer. Now, out of these two value, you have to adopt higher value. Higher value will be 536 kilometer. Therefore, we have to adopt length of national highway as 536 kilometer. Now, length of major district road, again it is given by two formulas. You can observe the formula here. Length of MTR, it is given by one formula by total area method, area divided by 12.5, and another formula is 90 into number of towns in the state. By using the first formula by area method, major district road length is equal to 13,400, that is area divided by 12.5, that is equal to 1072 kilometer. By number of towns, major district road length is equal to 90 into 2, that is equal to 1080 kilometer. Now out of these two values, you have to adopt higher value. Higher value will be 1080 kilometer. Now at the last step, you have to calculate length of other district road and village road. But before calculating this, you have to check whether number of villages data whether they had given in the problem or not. But in this problem, he didn't given number of villages data. Therefore, you have to use this formula. If number of villages are not given, formula will be NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR plus VR is equal to area multiplied by 82 divided by 100. The same formula I had used here. NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR plus VR is equal to 13,400 multiplied by 82 divided by 100. The total length of the road is equal to how much now? 10,988 kilometer. You already calculated in the previous step what is the length of national highway, state highway and major district road. That will be equal to 1,884 kilometer. Therefore, other district roads plus village road is equal to total length of the road, that is 10,988 minus of NH plus SH plus MDR length, that is 1,884. Therefore, other district roads plus village road, you have to construct a length of how much? 9,104 kilometer. Therefore, at the end, primary system, national highway, we have to construct for about 268 kilometer. Secondary system, there we are going to construct length of national highway 536 kilometer and major district roads 1080 kilometer. And tertiary system, we are going to construct other district roads and village roads which will have a length of 9,104 kilometer. And total length of the road including primary, secondary and tertiary system, total we are constructing 10,988 kilometer of road. And this is how you have to solve the problem based on third 20-year road development plan. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next section with another problem.